Hi, car is back from the shop. We were not able to get the AC fixed because it was going to go way out of budget to get the compressor rebuilt, to get both of the hoses fixed, to recharge with R12 and all of the other little issues. But I did find out that my motor mounts were flat as a pancake, which I probably should have inspected earlier and should have recognized by the way that the car drove. So I got that fixed instead. I could have done that myself and it probably would have been cheaper, but I think having it in the shop, I think that was the most valuable thing for me to do at the time. So the car is much more responsive now, which I enjoy very much. I am noticing that the car is idling kind of rough, but I attribute that to perhaps spark plugs, maybe the distributor cap and wires. That could be other things, but I think that's what I'm going to be working on next. But it's real nice to have the car back. We uncovered some issues like the throttle adjustment plug was disconnected and just hanging down underneath the intake manifold. So I got that put back in, and some various vacuum lines that were unplugged. My own laziness during the head gasket replacement, I'm sure. But other than that, the car is feeling pretty good. I'm enjoying it a whole lot, and I'm very thankful to have those motor mounts replaced, and the transmission mount. That was all that could have caused some pretty bad problems in the future, but I got that all set, and I've got the car back now.
So here's the idle issue that I'm talking about. I don't know if you can tell, you can see the wires kind of jiggling there. It gets a little bit worse as the car gets up to heat. But again, I think that might just be spark plugs. I haven't changed those yet.
So now we're getting real close to a fully functional car. I think I just need to figure out what that idle issue is, and then I can start working on suspension. I can start working on interior. I can work on, some good summer tires, maybe some new rims and things like that. I'm looking forward to getting to that stage of the car, and looking forward to having this car for a very long time in the future. Thanks for watching.